Welcome to Dragonfields Place, one of the most unique and beautiful properties we've had the pleasure to market very recently. Now, we are at a 3-bedroom detached property, but very versatile, could be a 4th bedroom in there as well. It is a living space dream. If it's the living space in the property you're looking for, this is the one for you. I absolutely promise you need to come and have a look at it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So hopefully you like what you've seen in the video. I'm in the garden currently. It's landscape but mature. You have a west facing garden, a south facing garden, so you have the sun all day and evening for that lifestyle that I promised you. If you'd like a book of viewing on this property, please do get in contact, or if you'd like me to value your home, then I'd love that too. Thank you very much for watching.